Meaning of Edward Alleyn.
Edward Alleyn.
Edward Alleyn.
Edward Alleyn.
Edward Alleyn. Edward Alleyn was an English actor and theatre owner who lived in the 16th and 17th centuries. He was one of the leading actors of his time, and is known for his performances in plays by William Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. Alleyn also founded the Fortune Theatre in London, which became one of the most important theatres in the city. Today, he is remembered as a key figure in the development of English theatre, and his legacy lives on through the companies and institutions that bear his name.